Let's go to page 40 and start with number 1. Okay, you have 3x minus 4 equal to 5. So again, to solve, you want to undo everything. So the rule of thumb is you're going to undo the things that are farther away. And so that's going plus 4 on both sides. So you got 3x is equal to 9. And you divide by 3, so x equal to 3. Okay? And also when you're solving, you're going to do the order of operation in reverse order. Remember the order of operation? Okay? You're going to do the roots and exponents. Okay? And you do the multiplication and division. And then you have the addition and subtraction. Okay, so normally this is the order operation. You do this and you go down, right? When you simplify, okay, you go down. You do this, right? When you're solving, you have to undo this first, and you go up. Okay, so when you're gonna solve, you try to undo the addition subtraction first, and you undo the multiplication division after that. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got 2/3 t minus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so you can just undo the addition subtraction first. So plus 8 on both sides. You can go down, don't go sideways. Okay, so you got 2/3 t equal to 8. Now, to undo this, you need to multiply by the reciprocal. So multiply by 3 over 2. Okay, so that the 3 will cancel out, 2 will cancel out. So when you do that, you need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, that's what equal means. Equal means whatever you do on one side, you're going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. So 3 and 3 cancel out, 2 and 2 cancel out. So you're going to get t equal to. Now 2 and 8, this one you can reduce by 2. So divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 4. So 4 times 3 give you 12. Okay, number 5. Okay, you have 5r is equal to 18 plus 2r. So first, again, let's undo. That's going to get all the variables together. So you got r here, you got r here. So that's going to minus 2r. Okay, so you get 3r equal to 18. And you divide by 3, so r equal to 6. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got 3 times t minus 1 equal to negative t minus 5. Okay, so first let's go and undo all the grouping symbols. So let's go and multiply. So you get 3t multiply minus 3 equal to minus t plus 5. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and move the variable to the left hand side, move the number to the right hand side. So plus t on both sides. And be careful how you write the t. Make sure you have little hooks so that way you can differentiate between the addition and the t. Okay, so this will cancel out. Then I'm going to plus 3 to get rid of that. Okay, so basically what I do is I move the t to here and move the number to this side. So I end up with 4t equal to 8. Then divide by 4, so t equal to 2. Okay, okay, number 9. We have 2k minus 1 equal to k minus 5 plus 3k. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and minus 4k on both sides. Okay, because I want to move the variable to this side, right? Because you have k plus 4k plus 3k. So this give you 4k. So to undo the 4k, I need to minus the 4k. So I end up with negative 2k minus 1 equal to, so this and this will cancel out, equal to negative 5. Okay, then I'm going to plus 1. I'm going to undo the number, so plus 1. So I get minus 2k equal to negative 4. So you can, if the signs are opposite, you subtract the number and you put a sign on a big number, right? Okay, then after you divide by negative 2, so k equal to 2. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, we have negative 5 minus x equal to x plus 3. Okay, so you can first undo the parentheses, so multiply, so I get negative 5, multiply, I get plus x equal to x plus 3. And I'm going to consolidate my variables, so I need to minus x on both sides. I get negative 5 equal to 3. So this is false. It's impossible, right? So that means all the value for x is going to come out false. All the answers are no good because it's always going to be false. So in this case, would be no solution. Now, if you put empty set, that's fine too. Okay? So either way. Okay, number 13, get 1.5 times u plus 2 equal to 7.5. Okay, so again, first let's go and multiply. So I get 1.5 u, multiply, get plus 3 equal to 7.5. Okay, so again, so first you want to do is undo the grouping symbol. Then after that, you just go and undo the addition, so minus 3 on both sides. So I get 1.5 u equal to 4.5. And divide by 1.5, divide by 1.5, so u equal to 3. Okay, let's go to number 15. You got 0.2 times x minus 5 equal to x plus 5. So again, first let's go and multiply everything out. So multiply, I get 0.2x, multiply, I get minus 1 equal to x plus 5. And I'm going to undo the variable first, so minus x on both sides. Now, when there's no number means it's 1. Okay, think of this as like 1. So this is positive, this is negative, so they are different. So when they're different, you have to subtract. So 1 minus 0.2 will give you 0.8. And the bigger number is negative, so you have to put negative over here. Okay, and that takes care of the x. And I'm going to plus 1 on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. And after that, I need to divide by negative 0.8, divide by negative 0.8, so x equal to. Now to simplify this, what you need to do is, if you do it without a calculator, then what you do is you just move the decimal over one place. So move this over one place. So we end up with 60 over negative 8. Right? Just move decimal one place over. Then after that, you can go and reduce by 4. Right? These are multiple 4. So divide by 4, you get 2. Divide by 4, you get 15. So answer would be negative 15 over 2. Okay? And you want to leave answer in the improper fraction. So don't waste your time to convert into decimal or mixed numbers. Okay? This is fine. Okay, next one. Okay, we have 3 times x minus 2 minus x equal to 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, so you can first, let's go and undo the grouping symbol. Let's go and now multiply everything out. So multiply, you get 3x. Multiply, you get minus 6. And line things up. Multiply, you get 4x. Multiply, you get plus 2. Okay. So next, there are too many variables. Let's go and simplify things a little bit. I'm going to combine these two over here. So I get 2x minus 6 equal to 4x plus 2. So I combine the like terms. Okay? Because if it gets too messy, you want to do a little bit at a time. Okay, so I'm going to move the variable over. So minus 4x on both sides. So this will cancel out. And I'm going to move the number to here. So I need to plus 6. So that this will cancel out. So I end up with negative 2x equal to negative 4. Again, when the numbers are opposite, when the signs are opposite, you have to subtract the number. So 6 minus 2 give you 4, and you take the sign of the big number. Okay, then after that you divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, so x equal to positive 2. Okay, let's double check something is not right. Okay, first let me check, make sure you copy the point correctly. Okay, multiply 3x minus 6 minus, okay. Oh, over here. So when I plus 6, I need to plus 6 over here. Okay, so that's a mistake. So that's why I have to be careful. Okay, so this will give me 8. Okay, and divide by negative, I get negative 4. Yeah, so just have to be careful. Okay, so again, you have to do the same on both sides. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got 2z. Again, notice how I write the 2 and the z. So we want to write it so that you're able to differentiate between the two. Okay, so again, first let's go and give it a grouping symbol. So let's go and multiply out. Okay, so multiply, you get minus 1. Multiply, you get plus z equal to 11 minus z. Okay, next. Again, there are too many things, so I'm going to combine the like terms first. So I get 3z minus 1 equal to 11 minus z. Okay, so now I'm going to move this z over, so I need to plus z. So I get 4z minus 1 equal to 11. Then I'm going to move the number over, so plus 1. So again, it's very important you write down your steps. So like the one before, if you show your step, it's easy to find out where the mistake is. Okay, so you got 4z equal to 12, and you divide by 4, so you got z equal to 3. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 21. Okay, you have 2 times 5t minus 3 minus t equal to 3 times 3t minus 2. Okay, so let's go and multiply it out. So I get 10t, multiply, I get minus 6, minus t equal to, multiply, I get 9t, multiply, I get minus 6. Again, there are too many things, so I'm going to simplify a little bit. So combine these two, I get 9t minus 6 equal to 9t minus 6. Okay, then from here you can see they're identical. So if you try to minus 9t minus 9t, you're going to get negative 6 equal to negative 6. So this is true. Okay, that means all the value would be true. Means all the number is going to be good. Okay, and so therefore this would be all real number. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 23, you have 6x minus 2 times x minus 4 over 3 equal to 8. Okay, so now you have fractions. So first you want to do is you want to undo the fraction, because this line is acting as a grouping symbol. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to multiply both sides by 3. Okay, so multiply by 3. Okay, so that the 3 and 3 will cancel out. Okay, and then after that you can go and work this out. So you got 6x. Okay, multiply, so it will be minus 2x. Multiply, you will get plus 8 equal to 24. Okay, so you can first undo the 3. Okay, and you end up with that, and then you can multiply out. Then after that, I'm going to simplify things a little bit. So I get 4x plus 8 equal to 24. Again, your focus is a variable, so you want to always focus and undo the variable first. Okay, so combine the like terms with the variable first. Consolidate your variable first. Okay, so minus 8 on both sides. So you get 4x equal to 16. Divide by 4. So x will equal to 4. Okay, let's go to number 25. Okay, so you have x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. And you want to see if these are solutions. So -2 and -3. You want to see if these are the solution or not. Okay. So to see if it's solution or not, all you substitute and see if it's true. Okay. So when you substitute, you're going to get -2 over -2 minus 3, -2 plus 2. Okay. So again, that's that. Well, if you notice that -2 plus 2 is going to equal to 0, and 0 times anything will equal to 0. So this part equal to 0, and 0 times anything will equal to 0. Okay, so this part is true. So this one is yes. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, and now let's go and try the -3. Okay, so again, go back to the same equation. So you got -3 times -3 minus 3 times -3 plus 2 equal to 0. So you got -3 times -6 times -1 equal to 0. And so you're going to get 18 equal to 0. Okay, so this is not true. So this one is no. Okay. Again, if it doesn't work out, means this is not a solution. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got z to the 3 minus 4z squared plus z plus 6 equal to 0. And you have the 2 and the 3. Okay, so you can use substitute in here to see if it's true. So they're going to get 2 to the 3 minus 4 times 2 to the square plus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So you work it out. So this will give you 8 minus 16 plus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. And so I'm going to combine the positive first. So I'm going to have, so see, when they're all the same sign, you can just go and add them together. So this will give you 10, and this will be 16. So you end up with 16 minus 16, okay, equal to 0. So this is going to be true. So this is yes. Okay. Okay, now let's go and do the 3. So you got 3 to the 3 minus 4 times 3 squared plus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. So go and work it out. So this would be 27 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay? So again, I'm going to combine the same signs. Those are easier to combine. So 27 plus 3 give you 30, plus 6 will give you 36. So you got 36 minus 36 equal to 0. So again, this is also true. So this is yes. This will be a solution. So in this case, both are solutions. Okay? Okay, let's go to 29. You have x plus 12 over x minus 4 equal to x minus 3. And you have the -2 and a 0. Okay, so you can all you have to do is substitute and see if it works out. So let's do the -2 first. So you got -2 plus 12 over -2 minus 4 equal to -2 minus 3. Okay, so from here you're going to get 10. Over here you're going to get -6 equal to -5. So obviously this is not going to work, because if you cross multiply, you got 10 equal to 30, right? Again, you multiply by -6. Okay, multiply by -6 to undo the fraction. And so this is no. Okay, let's go and do the 0. Okay, I'm going to do it over here. So you're going to get 0 plus 12 over 0 minus 4 equal to 0 minus 3. Okay, so you're going to get 12 over -4 equal to -3. Okay, and you cross multiply. Okay, so this will cancel out. So you got 12 equal to 12. So it checks out. So this is yes. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one. So number 31. So you got 2x minus 5y equal to 10. And you're solving for x. That means you want to have an x by itself. That's what I mean by solving for x. Okay, so just go and plus 5y on both sides. Right, again, when you're solving for x, means you want to have x by itself. Everything else go to the other side. So you got 2x equal to 5y plus 10. Okay. Then after that, you divide everything by 2. Okay. So you got x equal to 5 over 2y plus 5. Okay. Again, so that's what I mean by solve for x. Means you want to have x by itself and everything go to the other side. Okay. Okay, next one. So you have the I equal to p.40 and 4p. Okay, so you want to have the p by itself. So you need to get rid of the r and the t. So these are multiplication. So undo multiplication, you need to divide. So divide. So that this will cancel out. And so that's it. So you got p equal to I over RT. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got y equal to mx plus b, and you're solving for x. Okay, so in solving for x means you want to isolate the x. So first minus b on both sides. So you got y minus b equal to mx, and you have to divide by m. So divide by m, divide by m. So you got y over m minus, in the book they kind of just put it together. They just divide this whole thing by 1 m. So just divide by m. Okay? And so that this cancel out. Okay, so you're going to get x equal to, I'm just flipping over. So you got y minus b over m. Okay. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, you got p equal to 2l plus 2w for w. Okay, so solve for w means you have to get rid of all the other stuff. So first minus 2l. Okay, so you got p minus 2l equal to, this cancel out, equal to 2w. Okay, then after that you're going to divide it by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So when you divide, you can divide the whole thing or you can do it individually. Either way is fine. Okay, so this cancel out. So w will equal to 1/2. So this will cancel out. So 1/2 p minus l.